One of the most common questions I get for somebody looking at landscape lighting as a business is, do I need to be an electrician? Do I need to have my journeyman's or my master electrician certificate? The answer is no. We are working under 50 volts. We are working in the low voltage segment of the electrical field, which is a different licensing segment altogether. Different states and different municipalities are going to have different regulations, and you'll have to check with your local municipality in order to see what licensing may or may not be required in your area. But you do not need an electrician's license to install landscape lighting or low voltage systems. Most landscape lighting systems installed today are installed using low voltage. This was chosen because low voltage is actually safer to work around and safer for people to have in their yards and in their gardens. If somebody hits a low voltage line, there's really almost no risk of them being injured by a 12-volt line. It's also easier to move the electrical components because landscape systems are always shifting. Trees pass away. Also, you have patios and reconfiguration of lighting systems, and low voltage is actually easier to work with than a high voltage line, which is going to be buried at a much deeper depth. I started Sterling Lighting with the professional in mind. The products that were out on the market did not meet the high level of quality, performance, and reliability needed to run a professional landscape lighting company. If you're looking to get into landscape lighting, it's essential that you pick out products that perform well and products that are reliable. And we've encapsulated that into all of our landscape lighting fixtures with Sterling Lighting by having high performance products that are ultra reliable. At Sterling Lighting, we've designed an entire lighting system that is easy to install, very versatile, and can perform many different tasks with one light source, and is very reliable so that you can install and count on it to work without failing. So we design our products for the professional, and that's you. You need to have the right techniques, the right products, the right systems, and the best practices. That's what Sterling Lighting can help provide you. The best techniques to be there to answer any questions and to help you install the best lighting systems possible. And that's where Sterling Lighting comes in. We're here to support, to assist, to answer any questions, and to help provide training so that you could have confidence installing and designing landscape lighting systems that look beautiful and last.